Bentonite, due to its good physical and chemical properties, can be used as purification decolorizing agent, binder, thixotropic agent, suspension agent, stabilizer, filler, feed, catalyst, etc. Widely used in agriculture, light industry and cosmetics, pharmaceuticals, and other fields. So montmorillonite is a widely used natural mineral materials. Bentonite ball press, hydraulic station pressure. Open the hopper elevator for the feed bin. Open the buried scraper conveyor for the feed elevator. Open the ball bulk return screw conveyor. Open the main machine. Open the auxiliary machine. Open the vibration feeder for the feed ball press. Open the spiral gate of the feed bin. Clean up debris and fix bolts before starting. Check whether the bolts of the whole machine are loose or fall off. After the load is removed, the Bentonite ball press is allowed to start.